Today I'm going to be reviewing DockteckExpand USB 5-in-1 C Hub. I want to thank Docket Hub for sending this to me to review. What's really nice about this, I'm going to put it over here. So I did plug it in old school. I am plugged into my computer. It works. It has a little light to tell you it's on. What's really cool is so you got the 3 ports there and you've got there's HDMI there. But if you want to use this to power, you can actually put in you can power it through this C here. One thing I suggest, you'll notice here, this is USB 3.0, so you'll see the blue in there. And that's gonna give you faster data, more information over those. So if you're getting one of these, there's old ones that don't have it. They're backwards compatible with 2.0, so make sure you're looking at those. And this has that, and it works. My mouse is working. And this is actually something really cool. I've never seen this before. I've gotten these before to review. It comes with a little bag to put it in. Honestly, this is really pretty cool. It works. This does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.5 stars. It's got 1,117 reviews, and 500 of these were bought last month in October of 2025. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.